soon to theaters.
Tale as old as time, true as it can be. Barely even friends think somebody I'll be in my room. Get your own movie.
His name is Stitch.
Oh, great! He's loose!
And he's coming to our galaxy next summer. Disney's Lilo and Stitch. Coming only to theaters.
Coming soon to own on video and DVD.
Things aren't going Max Keeble's way at school.
I wanna go!
He's not the biggest man on campus. And the principal's not his biggest fan. But something's about to happen
We're moving Friday!
to turn his world around.
I have one last day to take a stand. To make the school a better place for the kids I'm leaving behind. And oh yeah,
There's just one small problem.
we're not moving?
You're a smart little boy. But so am I. From Walt Disney Pictures, a movie for the underdog in all of us.
Like someone declared at Max Keeble Day and forgot to tell me. Yeah.
Max Keeble's Big Move. Coming this summer to Disney DVD and video.
He was the king of the court, golden boy of the gridiron, superstar of the soccer field, and now he's in the big leagues. Let's play ball! Buddy is back in an all-new movie, Air Bud 7th Inning Fetch. This time, it's bigger than the game.
The puppies are gone!
That young dog Napper's at it again.
Oh, no.
And all the clues point to Rocky Raccoon and his sidekicks.
We've got them now! Rocky, get out of the way!
And with a team in disarray, the town needs a hero.
Hey, look! They're putting their butt in!
Buddy's stepping up to the plate and saving the day.
Air Bud has done it again!
It's brand new adventure in Air Bud 7th Inning Fetch. Coming to Disney DVD and video this summer.
Jimmy Morris, well on his way to another World Series title.
15 years ago,
You got your shot at baseball. You got hurt.
Jimmy Morris put his dreams aside.
Coach?
Counselor, don't report that, Esther.
I never do.
But sometimes,
Hey, Coach, you want to throw?
I'll throw a couple.
Yeah, Dad, bring the heat.
when you least expect it,
Oh, my God!
dreams come back to life.
I threw today.
How hard?
Pretty hard.
Anybody want to tell me how we lost that game?
You quit out there. I'm talking about having dreams. You don't have dreams, you don't have anything. You're the one who should be wanting something more. Last time I checked, scouts aren't looking for high school science teachers.
We start winning, you try out again.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
All right.
So the district
heavyweight champion out. Now it's your turn, coach.
It started as a simple bet.
I promised to try out. It was this thing to get the kids to start playing.
It became the most incredible true story.
Rule number one is arms slow down when they get old.
In baseball history. From the studio that brought you Remember the Titans.
We've got an 8-year-old boy who waited all day in the rain to see his daddy try to do something that nobody believed he could do. Now, what are we telling him if you don't try now?
You bringing some kids? Besides your own?
I'm here for me.
For you.
Jimmy, on, you're up.
Just a second.
I'm not doing it.
Don't hurt yourself.
His dream was impossible.
You the old guy?
I'm the old guy.
How fast were you sold 15 years ago?
85, 86.
You just threw 98 miles an hour.
No.
But his journey was extraordinary.
To Coach Jimmy Morris, the man who taught us about wanting something more.
Dennis Quaid.
Do you know how many guys can throw the ball 98 miles an hour?
Not many.
The Rookie.
Now available to own on video and DVD. Now on Disney DVD and video for a heartwarming story of friendship.
You got your pals? You got all you need.
Action.
Let's do it.
And fun.
You really got that rhythm, kid.
Yeah.
Get the movie critics call a 10.
All right, check it out.
That's charming, funny, musical, and thrilling.
I thought I'd never see you again.
Based on Charles Dickens' timeless classic, it's Disney's Oliver and Company.
You're okay for a cat.
Own it now on video and for the first time ever on Disney DVD.